Michaelhouse school incident. Judge protects minors' identities by keeping case confidential. By Satori News. The shadow of confidentiality stretches over a KwaZulu-Natal elite school, Michaelhouse, as the Pietermaritzburg High Court seals the case files relating to an incident that resulted in the expulsion of a learner. These events date back to 2 years ago and have piqued public interest due to their secretive nature. In a legal battle that underscores the tension between transparency and privacy, the court has underscored the primacy of protecting minors. Acting Judge M. Yesi has affirmed that the sensitive nature of the evidence, which involves multiple minors, necessitates the withholding of these files from public scrutiny to protect the dignity and integrity of those implicated. The expelled learner's parents sought to review the school's decision, only to face the court's judgment that goes beyond safeguarding their son's identity. The court's intervention highlights a commitment to child welfare, stating a clear boundary to the principle of open justice when minor children's rights are at stake. The defense of confidentiality was pressed further by the school, highlighting the risk of unmasking the minors involved. While the basic tenets of our legal system do support open hearings, Acting Judge Yesi reminded that constitutional provisions and societal values demand limits, especially when balancing justice against potential harm to children's privacy and dignity. The parents contended that the shielding of incidents at the school does not align with constitutional protections, which aim to prevent the concealment of the school's activities or administration's conduct. However, the court took a different view, recognizing the threat to minors' rights should the file become public. The judge's decision has been carefully articulated, considering both the close-knit nature of the school community, where the incident is likely already known, and the involvement of other children who are at risk of unwanted exposure. Michaelhouse, in a statement, emphasized their alignment with the judgment, reinforcing that their disciplinary processes adhere to legal standards and that confidentiality serves to protect all learners caught in the web of the allegations. The school remains committed to following due legal process as the case advances. In an era where the line between public interest and individual rights grows more complex, this judgment serves as a precedent for how South African courts may navigate such intricacies, especially when the well-being of minors is the variable of greatest concern. Thank you for choosing Satori News.